Oh my God! All right, good deal.
What's up, Jack? Welcome to another episode of Bearded Survival. In today's video, it was actually shot yesterday in North Carolina. We were in Baden Lake. It was awesome because I caught my personal best 14-pound monster there. So make sure you guys watch the whole video to see just how cool this experience was. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, man, I gotta give you guys a Bible verse of the day. It's found in the book of Philippians 4:13, where it says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So if you guys enjoyed, man, do those things, subscribe. Let's shoot for 50 likes. Let's go for 50 likes if we can. I know you guys can do it, man. Let's see what you got. And yes, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the fishing spot.
Got me 3 more.
Tying knots.
Yeah, so.
I mean, I can tie a knot, but like, there's a specific knot that you want me to do.
No, you just tie the knot and then roll it inside out.
About this far?
A little bit more.
About this far.
That?
Yeah.
And then,
About this far.
see what I mean? And then we shove it into the top. Lines out, see what happens.
Like this far? Oh my goodness!
What?
Get the net.
I got it. I can.
You got it? All right. Good job, bud.
If you hold it at the...
Good job.
Yeah, yeah, like that. Just hey, be easy. Don't let the reel. Let the pole. Let him fight out.
And pull it up.
Let him fight out.
Crap, big monster,
giant
dog.
Fight out.
He feels heavy.
Yeah, he is. He is. Let him fight out.
Dude, this is insane. Dude, that's bad. Dude.
Yeah, just pull him a little bit. There you go.
Oh, dude, this is a big fish. It's big.
Yeah, it's a good fish.
Are you getting it? Yeah, babe.
Don't risk the hook out. Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
All right, good deal.
Dude, that is a big. Oh my god!
All right, easy with the rod.
Dude, I'm talking. That's 15.
Just pull it to Landon. Don't break the rod. Yep, Landon's got it.
Oh my god!
Dude, pull the back off. Leave him right there.
Dude, oh my that is a fat boy! Dude! Oh my god! That thing is huge. Look at that. I want to hold wrapped up in line too. I want to hold him, man. We'll get a good shot of it. Can I catch the next one? Oh my goodness!
Oh, he's wrapped up in this one. All right, he got tangled up. That's all right. That's all right. Hang on. Let me get him out. No,
dude,
that
looks nuts, dog.
That's so cool. Whoa, get the rod.
Dude, that's pretty cool, dude. Holy moly. Here, I'm gonna give this thing some slack. Is that okay? I'm giving them some slack. They want some bars.
Yeah.
Dude, that is a prego right there.
He's helping him.
I'm gonna get him some more slack.
Hey, can you put this back in the rack?
Yes.
Daddy, I got some slack.
Sorry, Hannah.
Dude, Daddy, can we keep it? I say we freaking keep it.
I say we keep it.
Dude, that thing's huge.
We need to keep that.
That's a nice size too, man. Ain't bad. Content.
That thing is big. How many pounds do you think that is?
20 at least.
20? Yeah.
I'm thinking that other.
What?
Pliers. Dude, look at this boy. Oh my goodness. Look at the slime wall coming off of it.
Hang on.
Dude, this thing is huge. It's
Okay.
like at least 20.
I'm calling 20.
Hey, watch out.
Sorry.
No, you gotta let
shot
it
of how much
go
it
to
is
0
to the
and
scale,
take it out of his
babe.
mouth. I learned that one. Dude, that thing's bad. Daddy, can we keep the thing?
Can we keep it? I'll start the live well. How do you do it?
Golly, dude, this is exhilarating, bro. 12, hold on, he's 13.
Oh,
About 13.5. Whoa, whoa. No, he's almost 14 pounds.
Yeah, 13, 12.
whoa! Keep him on the.
Nah, we'll put him back.
No, I want to hold it. I want to get that.
Yeah, no, I got it.
I don't want to touch it.
Why is he like so plump? Dude,
Alright,
bro.
And then take a. I can't take. Hannah, or Halen, grab his phone.
Okay.
Take a
It's
picture.
Hannah's phone here.
Oh yeah, either one.
Oh, he's so slimy. Ew.
He's got barbs though, so they'll pinch you or sting you.
Those?
Yeah.
I said, ew. Fish.
All right, dude. We are out here,
Oh, excuse me.
lake bathing, baby. What's up? We just caught a big catfish. You guys just seen that, man. We caught a hog. He was about 14 pounds. Like I said, right now we're in North Carolina, and it's so much better fishing here, man, than it is out in Indiana where I'm from. But it is freaking awesome. And that's my first time being on a boat out here in the middle of a lake, man. So this is a pretty cool experience. I really hope we catch some more catfish, man, because that man was a hog. He was giant. Man, it was just such a fun experience. And Lake Baden, right?
Yeah, baited.
Lake Baden is where we're at right now. And man, this is so much better than bank fishing, dude. So much better than bank fishing.
Isn't it?
So much better, man. But hopefully we can catch some more, man. If we do, I'll make sure to catch the footage of that. And yes, I will see you guys in a minute, man. All right, guys. So we are on our way now to another spot. We've been there about a half hour. We caught that first fish after like 10 minutes, which is pretty crazy. But now we're going to a different spot and see if we can get our hands wet and some more catch, man, because that was pretty awesome. That was definitely, that was my first time on a boat, first time catching a catfish, and it was the most crazy experience ever. So on our way now to this other spot, see if we can get our hands on some more catch, man. See what we can do with these bad boys. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video, man. I want to appreciate you guys and thank you for watching. We are on our way back home now. We didn't catch any more fish, but it's just the fact that we got that one fish was absolutely awesome. I'm so grateful for it. We are actually on our way back to the house now, and me and my wife actually had to get back home to Indiana. So we got about a 10-hour drive ahead of us. And like I said, man, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, click the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up, man, so you can help rank it higher. And let's try to go for, 50 likes on this video for me catching that 14-pound hog. So thank you guys again, man, and I will see you guys next video.